All right, good morning, everyone. I need to redo this video. If you watched the old one, I'm sorry, I had some things wrong. And then on top of that, there's a typo to make things even more interesting. First off, and first and foremost, office hours are for if you need help. And if you need even the slightest amount of help, please show up. If you're even the slightest amount of confused, please show up and get the help from us. Each class is designated a certain time period for office hours. And I had that wrong. I thought just all of the 8th graders could show up in these 3 times, but that's not how it works. So if we look at this schedule, and this is the typo, this should be a U.S. History 8 right here. My first hour, you look, first hour middle school, my first hour is U.S. 8, okay? I can't change it. I have to ask somebody else to because I don't own this file that's owned by people who make more money than I do. So this should be a U.S. History 8. So my first hour is U.S. History 8. Your office hours are 10 to 10:30 today, Tuesday. This third hour should be a World History 7. So third hour middle school should be a World History 7. All you have to do is figure out which hour do you have which teacher. Okay? So first hour, you go to your first hour teacher on Tuesday. Second hour, you go to at 10:30, you go to that teacher. Okay? So you're just going to whichever teacher you have at whichever time to get the help. Okay, so if you have me fourth hour, your time is Wednesday, 10:30 to 11. Okay, that's how this works. I had it wrong, and then on top of that, there's a typo that I'm going to get them to fix later today, but they're all in meetings right now, so I can't get them to fix it right now. So please, show up if you have any questions, and if you have questions outside of that time period, feel free to show up to that office hour. If we're done talking, I can help you. Or just email me, and I can do a separate Google Meet with you real quick. We can usually do it in a minute or two. Or just email me and ask me any questions. So it's a growing process. We're figuring it out, especially 7th graders haven't done this before with us. So bear with us. We'll get through this. And just really remember, anytime you need help, let me know. Okay? Thanks.